Hi everybody, it's time for another damaging my hair session.
It's my birthday! Ta-da!
Oh, listen, honey, if I told you about the way that I felt, we'd be walking in the moonlight, staying up till sunrise. Baby, you can let your walls come down.
Now why I'm doing a whole ass hair makeover, that's because it's my birthday and this channel is known for, actually I am known for doing experimental hairs, and there will be no hair transformation video, it can't be me. And second of all, I have been living with this hair for last 2 months, I guess it's 2 months, and now I'm done, I'm bored, I need to change it up a little bit. And yeah, I also figured out few mistakes that I did last time, so which I need to correct it, and basically some technicalities that I have learned and experienced, so which I'm going to correct and get myself a whole ass makeover. And also Puja is coming, so we need a hair transformation anyway. So yeah, let's get started. Though today's video is going to be a hair color plus bleach and dyeing my own hair at home, like generic sort of a video that is popping everywhere since lockdown. It will be like that only, but I'm not going to deep dive into all the technicalities and everything, what you should put, what ratio, what product, what technique, what stroke. I'm not going to do that because I do have 2 videos explaining everything. So in this video I'm going to just have fun. It's too gloomy today, it's raining non-stop since 2 weeks, and there's one crow which is shouting at the top of her voice. But anyway, we are just going to ignore everything like we do. As you guys can see, I have like sectioned my hair, and this is the portion of my hair that I'm going to bleach now. And the back portion, I did it very randomly, feeling my hair and using only a comb. But basically I have spent last 20 minutes sectioning my hair and making it in a straight line before just switching on the camera, and I really don't know whether this straight line continues at the back. I tried my best to make it like a triangle, and I don't know is it an equilateral triangle or not. Let's just hope, and I hope you guys know, because that is a very popular video. So I have tried to do my sectioning like Brad Mondo did on Charli D'Amelio. Yeah, let's start. What are we waiting for? I have a lot of bleach and developer from my last bleaching experiment that I did on my hair, so I'm going to use the same thing. This is Strix Professionals Blonder powder and 20 volume. Get yourself 30 volume before bleaching. I got myself because this was a set and it's kind of cheap. So yeah, that's just it, nothing too much rocket science over here. This is how it looks. Now I'm going to apply it, and if you want to know the ratio or how to mix and what to put and everything, go watch my other dyeing videos. I've explained everything, every step in details, what not to do and what to do, so go and check that out. I'm going to apply it right now. And I think I'm not going to apply on the roots. Oh, I forgot the foil, so I have to do that as well. So yeah, just going to speed up this whole process and make it easier for you guys to bear me.
You better talk nice to me, I'm in your head, I invest. That's a short-term fee, got it locked, I'm the best. Well, at least that's what I think. Give me props when I rap, pick you up when I leave.
Big bag, I'm in.
Okay, so literally wrapped up my left section. When I tell you guys that it's really difficult to wrap up the back section, you gotta believe me, it's too difficult. Anyway, I am going to check after 45 to 1 hour, and then I'm going to just wash it off. I was thinking, should I just shampoo this part, because today is raining, and if I shampoo my whole hair, and it will take like 5 to 6 hours to dry naturally. Why I have bleach on my eyes? Let's just don't waste time and bleach this part. Also, I am kind of running out of more mixture, so I'm going to make another batch of mixture. Is it a batch? No, it's not. So I'm going to mix more and bleach my hair again, which is my main motto of life nowadays. Just bleach my hair, spend a week looking at my hair and then getting bored and then bleaching again. So I'm going to start with the black portion, I mean the black hair. And I use my hand because it's the best way to mix everything if you are not a professional. So kind of done putting bleach all over my right section, and I'm now going to foil it. And I did end up putting a little bit on the roots as well. Here you can see the colors changing. I'm going to unwrap this and spray some water and wrap this portion. My ears is literally burning, so I'm going to do it quickly. Okay, so literally I am done with everything, and it's time to sit and wet, then and then wash your hair. So it's currently 1:30, and I'm going to keep it for I think I'm going to wash it around 2:30 or 2:20ish, and this one I have to do it at 1:50 or 2 at least. So so that's the calculation. I think I'm going to come back after my hair is fully dry, because with wet hair you can't actually figure out things. I don't, so you behind the lens won't be able to judge anything. My point is I'm going to see how my hair is, and then I'm going to go for a second bleach tomorrow. I think, because I know how my hair reacts to bleach and everything, so my hair is really pigmented. It's jet black, so I think this portion and this portion I have to bleach again, because it will turn out to be dark brown or medium brown. It won't be lightish as well, so it's far from orangey yellow sort of a tone, so which I want to make the hair color show off. I'll just turn around a little bit to show you guys. This is what my hair looks like 360 degree. I don't know how I have done this two sections. I just felt through my hair while putting my bleach and even while wrapping it, so I don't know about these two sections of my hair what I've done. I don't think this matters as well, because it will be all covered up. It will matter when I'll put everything as a bun. That time it will matter, but yeah, bye. Okay, so hi everybody, it's the next day. I wasn't planning on filming anything right now related to this video, but I think I have to, because I'm going to run some errands tomorrow. That was not planned. To go outside, I need to make this situation look a little pleasant, and so I'm planning to put on my color tomorrow, for which I have to put on a last layer of bleach today. So that is why this is urgent filming. I have to show you guys my hair update, otherwise I would have done it tomorrow morning, but tomorrow I can't show you guys my hair update if I bleach right now. So this is my urgent bleaching situation. Long story short, I'm going to bleach now. Before that, I have to show you guys the hair. So I can show you guys, literally it has worked a lot. You can see my front hair, which is like the third time I'm bleaching. Don't get scared, because this 3 times of bleaching happened over past 4 to 5 months, so that's completely okay. I just want you guys to walk through all the colors. I have a lot of color combinations, because all the hairs that I bleached yesterday was not at the same level. So some were black, some were brown, some were brassy, orangey, some were little bit yellow, so that's why it's not going to be even. So which is what I'm going to show you right now. So if you see this hair, these are, can you see, it kind of matches with my curtain, so it's kind of level 10. And now the upper part, which are the roots, it's kind of level 9. Yeah, this one is level 9. However, this section, these are the new sections that I bleached. These were black yesterday, so these are kind of 6 or 7, I guess, which needs 2 more rounds of bleaching, but I'm going to do 1 only, because it's the back portion. And in middle, I guess I have a little bit of 8 level of bleach. Yeah, where is it? Yeah, this is kind of this part is kind of 8 level. So anyways, so I have a lot of levels. Yeah, this is 8. So anyways, yeah, I'm going to bleach now. I don't want to show you guys another round of bleaching, because it's going to be super boring. So you are going to see my hair totally transformed. After what is going to happen, I don't know. So yeah, cut to that. Okay, hi guys. As you guys can see, I have pretty much white hair, which is kind of level 9-10ish hair, but with a lot of yellow tones. Now I could have toned my yellows down, make it a little more using a blue or purplish sort of dye, but I don't want to do that, because I need this yellow. I am going to color my hair peach, pastel peach sort of a vibe I want to go for, and for that I need this yellow. So I'm going to use a pink hair color. Wait for a second. So I got myself this color. This is crazy color in the shade pinkissimo. Yeah, pinkissimo. So number 42. So this costed me really way too much. It retails for 750 rupees for this little bottle. I mean, this much of product. So I really do expect good pigment. So yeah, let's put this on and see what happens. I am done sectioning my hair, which is not even a section. I just picked all the black hairs up, and so I know there's a little bit of mixing, but it's okay. I'm going to not use any container, because I'm literally done with that phase. I'm just going to take directly on my hand, just directly, and put it right there. So this is exactly my color. So let's see how much of this pigment appears on my hair. It's not that pink, I feel. Hi guys, so I have completed putting up the color on my face, and this is what we are working with right now. I know I look ridiculous, but this is what happens when you put on hair color. And so I think I'm going to wait. By the way, I think it is not going to be that pigmented, but yeah, I put on a lot of color to make at least this much of pigment happening. But I know a lot of things change after I wash my hair and dry it up, so the color may entirely change. I can't judge right now, but yeah, I'm going to wait for like 1.5 hours and then wash it off, and then after it gets dry, I'm going to come back to show you guys, and then maybe I'm going to style it. All those final reveal will be happening after that. For you, it will be in the next second, but for me, it is going to be lots of hours, so stay tuned. Hi everybody, so this is the after 4 days I'm filming basically. So I did have a wash, shampoo. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like right now, and I'm going to be honest, this hair color faded a little bit after the first wash, so this is not the color after I applied, but it is more or less same. And as I was guessing while applying the color, it is not that pigmented. I was really right, because well, this came out to be peachy. I thought it would be pink because the color was literally pink, but yeah, what can I do? I'm not gonna say that I hate it, because I do like it. When the sun hits in, it looks pretty good. I mean, it looks beautiful, but this is a very light color, and probably it is going to go away after 2 to 3 more washes. So kind of had a average experience with the color, I would say. I'm not that impressed, but I am not too disappointed like it is gone down the drain sort of a situation. It is not that too. It's kind of really average. I had fun trying it, and I think it's cool. Yeah, what do you guys think? I think it's kind of cool. It's my first time trying a very pastel sort of a color, so, and yeah, I like it. My hair feels kind of nice as well. It is not rough or damaged, though I always use a conditioner, so I like it. Let me just flaunt this hair for a few days, and then I'm gonna probably color something else. Who may know? So yeah, that's about it, this video. I know this video did not turn out super good. I mean, the transformation is not that different. It is somewhat sort of in my comfort zone only, but who knows, I'm a very impulsive person, so you never know. That's about it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you guys with my last birthday week video, and until then, be happy and bye.
I'm out of practice, I ain't had the energy. Depression is a bitch that won't stop texting me, and